Alright guys, this is just a test. We did get our Max Lens Mod 2.0, and we're going to do a couple of short clips. You know, I'm going to the car wash with the dogs, so we're going to do a clip loading the dogs up and stuff like that, and then we're going to take the dogs down to Starbucks and get a puppuccino. And that's my Thursday night, just like that. Just one thing about this lens mod is you do have a lens cover here, and as soon as you are done recording, you're going to keep that lens covered because it will scratch it. The report is if you stare at it too much, it'll scratch. So in any case, you'll keep it covered, and we're getting ready to rock and roll. So just been a great week of relaxation after coming back from that bike excursion at Navajo Nuclear, and we're already planning our next trip, but it won't be next week. It might be the week after that, or maybe even 2 weeks out. You know, might be, let's see here, not next week, might be 2 weeks from now or 3 weeks from now. And I think we're looking at Bryan Head. So I mean, we're not going to do the one where you pay and they take you up the lift and then you ride down. We're not going to do that. We're going to, there's a couple of trails up there that are very good. There's a parking staging area right in the middle of them, so to speak, and you can do some good riding for 2 days or maybe even 3 days. And if you have a hankering to do the Bryan Head thing, you know, it's a possibility, but it's not really made. You don't really need an electric bike there. You know, maybe I'll take one of my standard bikes with us on that trip too. Who knows? So you'll use your standard Yeti, you know, 32 pounder. So yeah, we're just killing time. You know, getting ready to take off. We're just doing a little filming, and very easy going day today. You know, it looks like all I'm going to be able to do with the dent on my roof is with the money that they gave me already, which is about $1,600 less my $250 deductible. So the auto body shop doesn't want to do just an estimate. You know, I'm going to try one more time with them to see if they'll just, you know, I'll pay the shop time to do a supplemental estimate. And then, you know, when they submit it, they can have the car and everything for whatever unless somebody rents it. That way, if the Turo insurance adjuster calls and says, well, do you have the car? They can say, yeah, we got the car right here, and say, okay. You know, hey, this could be a very viable possibility. So in any case, we will see if we'll take one last ditch effort with the car. I'm scheduled to drop it off next Monday, here in a couple 4 days, or Tuesday, whatever day it was, I forget. So we're going to see if we can work that out with them, where I drop it off, they do the supplemental estimate, submit it, the car can stay there unless I get a rental. So and they're not going to keep it. I think I'm almost going to tell them, hey, listen, I'm not going to fix the car. That's what I'm thinking anyways. You know, let me finish this drink and we're going to head on out of here. I don't know how good the wide angle works in the ooh man, you got to keep this clean too. This lens cover, you got to it's got to be kept clean. So we're gonna have to drop this old boy in a plastic bag and then put it in our pocket, because that would be one way that it would not it could have problems. because your pocket can have dust and dirt in it. Then when you stick it back on the camera, so you always have it. I can find I'll find a smaller plastic bag later. Well, you know what? There's one inside that box. But you want to keep it in a small plastic wrap like this also. That way it doesn't get dust and dirt on it in your pocket. And when you take it out, you'll clean it, blow it. Trust me, the lens is a time bomb ticking. Sooner or eventually, you're going to scratch it. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I usually throw my backpack down, you know what I'm saying, and shit like that with the camera on, but I certainly won't be doing that anymore. But in any case, we'll keep this. We got a smaller plastic bag somewhere. I'm just not going to look for it right now. But we're getting ready to book out of here, so I'm going to cover up the lens and we'll pull you up when we're putting the dogs in the car. Someone wants to, I got my electric skateboards on offer up now, and my kink BMX bike. I got that on there. And we're gonna throw other things on as time goes on too. So I got a price pretty high. I did get a bite on my armor jacket for riding dirt bikes and stuff like that. I've got with body armor. You don't need that shit. I got it for other things too. I got it for skateboarding and shit. But I never used it I think I used it one time. But anyways, we're gonna shut you down right here. GoPro, stop recording.